Okay, everyone, now it's time to pick up the pace because I don't know how this next student has time to catch her breath. Her name is Erika. She's a sophomore, computer science major and mathematics minor. She DJs at the campus radio station, studied abroad in Panama, and chartered her own sorority. Erika, please fill us in on the experiential education you can expect at TCU.
Gracias, Alex. I came to TCU because of the genuine connection I felt to the students, faculty, and staff that I met on the tour. But what keeps me here is the passion and pride that everyone has for what they do. Reaching out or sending a simple email has given me so many opportunities, from studying abroad in Panama as a freshman, to being a chancellor's host and wearing a cool purple blazer, to volunteering around Fort Worth or facilitating Frog Camp, or being a DJ at our KTCU radio station, just to name a few things. There is always an open door for new opportunities. We even have an idea factory that supports innovations dreamed up by our students. The only real limit is the 24 hours in the day. TCU has allowed me to take classes that challenge me to think critically about societal issues, historical perspectives, and the surrounding community. I have developed meaningful connections with all of my professors, and they guide me as my mentors. As a STEM major, I have access to so many resources to explore my research interests, do community service, or grow as a professional and as a person. Another highlight of my academic life at TCU is the John V. Roach Honors College. When I first toured, I heard that Bill Nye had just been a guest, so I wanted to see what the excitement was all about. I loved staying in the Milton Daniel Residence Hall and taking my honors classes. Here, I participate in meaningful class discussions and get to develop my own ideas about the world around me. Through in-class learning projects and service learning in the community, our academic programs foster an environment of understanding between individuals. There are so many ways to learn what you are passionate about at TCU. You might even make your mark by starting something new. You just have to ask. I hope you'll visit us and experience for yourself all that TCU has to offer, both in academics and beyond the classroom. Well, that's my take on some of the academic aspects of TCU. Now back to you, Alex.
Erika, wow, I'm impressed by your drive to not only follow a path, but your ability to chart your own paths right here at TCU. Thank you for sharing your incredible experiences with us. I can't wait to see everything you accomplished at TCU and in the STEM field. Take care.